Welcome everyone to the final episode of the Sweden vlogs. Didn't really plan these out correctly, but cut me some slack here. This was my very first time trying to put together a couple of travel vlogs. But with that said, please enjoy the beautiful Gothenburg Zoo, the Viking exhibit at the Gothenburg Museum, and a few shots of us leaving the country. I will see you guys at our next destination, and in the meanwhile, please enjoy all the other videos that we are going to upload to my channel. And as always, thank you for the support. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. As part of a bet, I actually became a stand-up comedian for 5 minutes at the Abyss in Gothenburg at an open mic night.
Yeah, that's the story of me going to a music store. And I think I'm out of time, so thank you very much.
Thank God for that.
Alrighty, last day in Gothenburg. As you can see on both of our faces, we are very tired. I think we overdid partying a little bit. Also, Raffen, if you're gonna be watching this video, and I know you will, it's all your fault. Let's head out. Oh yeah, and tonight we're seeing At the Gates, so that should be awesome.
At the Gates is amazing.
You will be like me.